Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI on free Canva account. Remember that you don't need to have Canva Pro subscription to use Canva AI, so I will show you very quick in this video. Okay, right in the home page of the Canva, you can see canva.com over here. We will have three options. First of all is your designs, and the second one is the template. The third one is the one we find is Canva AI. So you will choose this option. You can ask the AI to design for you, create an email, draft a docs, code, or create a video clip. I will try to generate some image using Canva AI. Okay, I just type in the prompt that create for me a beautiful modern house in the forest, wooden and cozy. So I will choose submit over here, and we will wait for the image coming out. You can see over here the image quality is so good. We have the cozy house in the forest and mixed by wood. It's very beautiful. The quality of Canva AI is really good. So you can use the AI anywhere, even in the project. Right in the bottom corner, you will see the magic media over here. You will choose this option, and then you can type in the prompt to make AI generate for you an image right in the project. Remember that in order to generate image using Canva AI, you need credit to do that. If you use Canva free account, you just have some small credit per day. So if you want to have more credit, or if you have some serious projects, you need to subscribe for Canva Pro. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.